What is this? College? Oh my, wow. Real life girls. Do it.
No.
No. It's required. Every single video has one. I'll do it for you.
Tree balls.
You know how I love balls. Oh my god, so much works on here. Gavin, are you having so much fun?
Obviously.
Are you having so much fun?
I'm having so much fun.
Tried to go strawless for a while and then
Yeah, size doesn't matter, it's just how you use it.
You're okay. Should I do the
From an empty sea, a flash of light. It will take a while to make you smile. Somewhere in these eyes
What do I am?
you sigh.
Oh, what the hell? What a freak! Welcome to Freak Week. Hello, my name is Shoddy, and I like to get low.
Camcorder. Gibbons brought to college.
Gibbons brought to college? Wow.
I'm hanging out with Justin today. I went on my mission.
goodness. My nerves. Y'all should kiss.
Who will dry your eyes when it falls apart? What makes this fragile world go wrong? Were you ever lost? Was she ever?
Like, yeah, it's not a rave party, and I'm a liar now.
Yeah!
Go to hell.
What do we?
What away.
What?
Nathan, do it. You know what I want.
Archie. Are you Archie?
That's my scoliosis.
Hey, scoliosis.
Yeah, I've seen Alexa.
I see it.
So, you're not sad. This is
That's foul.
Okay.
No.
Wait, I got.
Oh, no.
Dating Rap 2020. You gained +1 girl. Her name is Taylor. Come back.
Come back.
Come back! Come.
And then so we got me. It's a hit and one.